Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce a higher term fraction to its lowest terms. So a fraction is in lowest terms if the greatest common factor or the GCF of its numerator and denominator is 1. So let us have example here. So reduce each fraction to lowest terms. So we can get the lowest terms of a fraction if we divide both numerator and denominator by their GCF. So we can use the continuous division method. So for example number 1, we have 12 eighteenths, and as you can see, 12 and 18 are both even numbers. That means this is not in lowest terms yet. So we can use, like I said, the continuous division method to find the GCF of 12 and 18. So let us do that. So think of a number that can be divided both from 12 and 18. So if you think about 2, because they are both even number, you may do so. But if you think of other numbers, and then that would be great. So 12 divided by 2, that would be 6. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the quotients here are 6 and 9. And 6 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So that means we can still continue dividing. So we can divide them by 3. 6 divided by 3, that would be 2. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. As you can see, our last quotients are both prime numbers. That means we stop. So this is our lowest terms fraction. So just right here. Oh, sorry about the 2. 2/3. Okay. So this is our lowest term. So the lowest terms of 12 eighteenths is 2/3. Okay. So let's have another example here. Number 2, we have 15 30ths rather. So let us do the continuous division method. So 15 30th. So what number can we divide both from 15 and 30? So I think of 5. So we can divide both 15 and 5 since they are both divisible by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. 3 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So that means we can still divide them by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So if one of the numbers becomes 1 after dividing, that means you stop. So here our our lowest terms fraction is 1/2. There. So the lowest terms of 15 30th is 1/2. Okay? Let us have another example here. So 24 eighths. So like I said, you can divide both numbers by the number that you think is good for them. So for example, you think of 8. Okay, here 8. So we can divide 24 and 8 by 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 8 divided by 8 is 1. So one of the numbers becomes 1, so that means we stop. So let us write here 3 first. But here, since our denominator becomes 1, it means that this is not the simplest form. It is in lowest terms, but it's not in simplest form. So to make this a simplest form, we can omit the denominator and this becomes 3. Okay, so remember, if the denominator of a fraction is 1, that means your answer is a whole number, and that would be the numerator of the fraction. Okay? Another. So we have here 9 and 6/18. So 9 and 6/18 is a mixed number, but in reducing fractions to lowest terms, we only reduce the fractions. So we set aside first the whole number, the 9, and get the lowest terms of the fraction 6 and 18. 6 and 18. Sorry. So like I said, if you think of any number, so I think of 6 because because here 6 and 18 are both divisible by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And one of the quotient is 1. That means this is the lowest terms. So write it here. Okay, then you need to write the 9 or the whole number here. And then we have 1/3. There. So our lowest terms fraction is 9 and 1/3. Okay, so I hope you learned something. See you again next time. Bye.